Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to talk about hanging baskets. Hanging baskets are a great way to add loads of colour to your garden, especially in the summer, because there's so many plants to choose from. And today I've just got a selection of plants which will work really well in hanging baskets to give you summer long colour. What's nice in a hanging basket, which I'll show you in my next video, is to have something in the centre, so an upright, so something like a pelargonium, geranium. This is a variegated one, which I really like the foliage, and it's got a lovely pink flower, and that'll flower all summer long, so that could be in the middle of your basket. Equally, fuchsias work really well as an upright, and I love fuchsias in hanging baskets because they flower for so long into the autumn, and they work really well in hanging baskets. And this is a variegated one. It's got a pinky edge to the leaf, which I think will go really nice with the pinky plants I've got here. And then this is a great plant, Diascia. It doesn't get much taller than that, but it'll be good to add substance to the basket, and it flowers for ages. This is Diascia light pink. I've also got a semi-trailing plant, Petchoa. This one's called Beautiful Purple Dawn, and I'll probably put it around the edge of the hanging basket. Now, Petchoa is a cross between petunia and Calibrachoa, and apparently it combines the best of both plants. I've also got trailing petunias, and I've got other trailers too. I've got Calibrachoa, which has a trailing habit, pink and purple, and then the trailers. The other trailers, I've got lobelia, which I love, sapphire, I use that, I can't get enough of that, and bacopa, which is fantastic, bacopa, because it really does cope in that it just flowers and flowers and flowers, and sometimes it comes back next year. It's a tender perennial, and in one of my clients' gardens, it came back the following year. So if it's not a harsh winter, it'll come back, but it just flowers for ages, and it will make a real curtain of white. So it's beautiful. So that is an example of hanging basket plants which will give you a lot of pleasure all summer long. Thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.